नहीं, ये भी उसी के अंदर है। हम्म, ये टोटल 4 मंथ करेगा तुम्हारा। टोटल 4 मंथ का रहेगा तुम्हारा, जिसमें कि तुम्हारे सारे क्लासेस रहेंगे इसके अंदर। मतलब बहुत सारे क्लासेस हैं तुम्हारे। ब्लैक हैट का सेशन तुम्हारा अभी 10 to 11 PM में रहेगा। अभी ब्लैक हैट का सेशन तुम्हारा रहेगा। उसके बाद आज ही रहेगा एक सेशन और तुम्हारा। इसके बाद भी तुम मुझे मैसेज कर लेना अभी, अगर मैं तुमको लिंक ना भेजूँ तो। और मैं तुमको सारे टेलीग्राम चैनल्स में ऐड कर दूंगा। देयर यू विल फाइंडिंग ऑल द लिंक्स। सो यही है। हाँ हाँ, कर लो। और ये मोर देन इनफ है इतने कोर्सेज ज्वाइन करने के बाद। बहुत होते हैं। सारो कर लो, कंप्लीट कर लोगे बहुत होगा। Okay, so okay, hello everyone. Am I audible properly? No? Hello. Can you all confirm that I'm properly audible so I can start with this? Okay, sure. So hope you all are done with installation of Kali Linux, right? Everyone done with installation of Kali Linux, or anyone is remaining with that? Anyone who has not installed Kali Linux till now? Anyone? Devesa, are you done with installation of Kali Linux? Okay, Ajay, are you done with installation? Yes, Manu. Are you done with the installation? Okay. Yes, Manu, you are audible. Tell me. Yes. Hello, you are audible, bro. Manu, let finish Manu first. Manu, are you done with the installation of Kali Linux? Okay, cool. So hope you all are done with Kali machine, right? Okay, so can I switch directly to my Kali machine right now, or anyone have any doubt regarding installation of Kali machine? Yes, sure. No, no. There will be no issues. No problem with that. It's completely fine. Even कुछ packages ऐसे हैं जो कि Ubuntu में if you install them on Ubuntu, you will be getting a complete tool list of Kali Linux also. So don't worry about that. You will be having a complete list of all the tools and technologies. So even on Ubuntu also. So don't worry. I will be sharing you the packages to install from GitHub. So let me switch to my virtual machine so I can start with Kali Linux, right? So is my Linux machine visible to everyone? Uh, Kali machine visible to everyone or not? Okay. Okay, 1 second. Uh, okay. So now I'm going. I forgot to share the screen. Sorry for that. Okay. So now my Kali machine is visible to everyone. Okay, okay. Yes, yes. So, first of all, today we will be discussing how to change MAC addresses. And if we got some time, we will be discussing some proxy chain related questions and proxy chains. We'll try to configure proxy and proxy chains to hide our IP addresses also, because this is the first thing to do, and to improve our anonymity. So, this thing we have to do. So, for before starting, we need to brush up our Linux commands, like what are the basic Linux command. So can anyone tell me, like, if I have to display the current directory wherever I am, what command I should use right now? Anyone? To display the current directory? No, no, ls is not the command. Yes, yes. So now my yes, yes. Pwd is a command to show the current working directory. Let me join, give permission to someone who is trying to join. Okay, now we have joined. Okay, so PWD is the command which we use to display the path or path of current directory where we are. And so we have another command which is ls. Ls shows what are the files and directories we are having on our current directory. So ls used to show the files and directories in our current directory, and PWD shows the directories. And then we have our ls hyphen a. ls-a shows all the hidden files that is into our on our desktop, on our directory we are having. So these are the hidden files I am having on my desktop. You may have some different files also. pim ac, this is the website I was attacking few days back for testing purposes, and this is the result of that. So that's what we are having. And if we do clear command, like when we put clear, whatever command we will be using is goes out of our scope, like will be cleared from our display. And so another command we are having is sudo su. Sudo su is a command which make you super user on a Linux. Like there are many tasks that you can't perform on a Linux without having a super user permission. So when you put sudo su and put your Linux password, uh, then you are promoted as a super user, and then you can install various packages and all these stuffs. Like if you want to uh, update your system, then you can simply put sudo apt get up apt get update and upgrade, and you can upgrade your system. So these are the things you can do. So hope you all have done some basics of a Linux command practice also. Anyone who have not seen this before, or uh, everyone was gone through this before this also? Is everything clear to everyone? Like what are the basic commands and things on a Linux? No, I'm still downloading. Okay. Okay, so these basic commands clear to everyone? Ajay, is it clear to you? Okay, so these were the basic command I just showed on the display, so you get the idea. And I will be sharing you a cheat sheet to practice all the basic commands by your own. So just practice all the basic commands on your own also, because you have to put some effort. So let me switch to Macchanger first, like how to change MAC addresses. So anyone have any idea regarding what is MAC addresses? Can anyone explain this? What is MAC address? Prasant? Okay, okay. Raghavendra, can you explain what is MAC addresses? Okay, okay. Ajay, can you explain what is MAC addresses? Anyone can explain what is MAC address? Little bit, some idea regarding this? Yes, yes. MAC address is basically a unique identification number which is assigned to any network device. Like if you are using whatever device you are using, and when they are connecting to the internet through your Wi-Fi connection, you have a you need a link for that. Like you will be assigned a MAC address for that. My focus was on my phone, that's why I missed. So for that purposes, you are having a MAC address. Like every device is having their own addresses on a MAC address. And so now you may think like why we need to change MAC address. So anyone have idea like why we need to change MAC addresses and why it's important? Yes, yes, but changing MAC address doesn't provide anonymity at a certain level. Like you are only anonymous on your local area network. It doesn't provide you anonymity on the entire network. It just provide you anonymity on a local network. Basically, you need to change your MAC address because changing your MAC address will give you more privacy and protection to your identity. Like when you change your MAC address, that is more effective on a local area network only. When you are on a huge internet, that will be not that much effective. So let me switch to my Kali machine and change the MAC address first. Like I am a root user right now. Oh, 1 second. I'm again forgot to share the screen. Okay, so now my screen visible to everyone. Okay, okay, cool. Make sure to just say yes or no so I get the idea. Because on my virtual machine, I will not be able to see all the chats and everything. So for MAC address changing, first we need a application. Like there is a file installed in a Kali machine or any penetration testing distro, whatever you are using. This file is pre-installed, which is Mac Changer. Macchanger. This is a file, and if you press -H, it will show like what are the things you can do with this file. Like when you press Macchanger -S, it print this help menu where all the listed commands are available. Like if we type Macchanger -V, it shows the version. It shows us the. What happened? Let me 1 second. Okay, so Macchanger-V. There is a some bug here that's why I'm not being able to get the version of my MAC address. Yes, yes, yes. It may be yes, 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 yes. So -V. So it is giving me my MAC. Okay, those who have helped me, thanks for this. Because this is my new machine. I'm not that much familiar with this. I bought it before 1 or 2 days. Yes, yes. So this is the little issue right now, but no problem. So this is right now. This is my current version, like 1.7.0 of my Mac changer. So that's how you know the version. So if we do our if config, like this is required because first let me check my check my IP address. Okay, so right now I'm connected with Ethernet. So if you put this command ifconfig and you are using any Wi-Fi network, it will be showing you one low. But right now I am using Ethernet connection. That's why it's Etho. So this is my current IP address, which is 192.168.128.135. So for changing this, like for changing my MAC address right now, like first I need to know what is my MAC address right now. So for this purpose, we'll be doing my MAC changer -S Etho. Okay, so this is my current MAC address, as you can see. Like this address we need to change. Whatever our current MAC address is, we need to change this. This is the main agenda to become anonymous on your Wi-Fi network or your local network. So is this clear to everyone? Why we need MAC address and what are MAC addresses? Yes, yes. So Prashant, did you get the idea like why we need to change the MAC address? Yes, yes. So when we put Macchanger -s or etho, this was the current and permanent MAC address. One key point is the MAC address belong to your network interface card, not your entire computer. Like this is only to the network device that is built in our laptop or PC, whatever we are using. And the first three digit of a MAC address, like let me show the MAC address to all of you, so you get the idea. So these first three just belong to uh, this first three gives you the identity of your manufacturer, like who the company who is manufacturing your network interface card. These three digit is giving the idea about that company, and you can also find this information just by a Google search. Like when you put these three on a Google search, you will be getting that idea which company is manufacturing this. And the last three digit can be changed, and that's where we are focusing today. Like these three addresses, like from 0B colon F2 colon B6, we need to change. So for changing this, for change MAC address, we will be using -a command. So let me put on s -a to change MAC address. We have previously my MAC address was this, and now my MAC address is this one. So you all can see that my MAC address is changed right now. Okay, so this is my new MAC address. What I get after changing. So did everyone get that? What command we need to put to change our MAC address? Everyone, is it clear? Okay, okay. Yes, yes. So make a con yes, yes. So yes, yes, I'm repeating. Like if you let me show, like if you put a command like mac changer -a and etho, this generate random MAC address. Like we are not defining any specific MAC address. When we put this command mac changer -a etho, it generates any random MAC address and provide us like this is generating a random address MAC address. Again, I am entering this, and this time previous when I put that this command, this MAC address it changed. Like from some company it has provided me this MAC address, like and after putting this again, it has again randomly generated a MAC address, which address is this. So by putting mac changer -a etho, you can change your MAC address, and this command generates a random MAC address. Okay, now any other questions? Okay, okay. So yes, yes, tell me. Okay, okay, okay. You are not not a pseudo user right now. Like you are not defined as a super user to yourself. So first put sudo su command, and then switch to super user on your laptop, and then put this command. Then it will be working. First put sudo su. You can also share your screen with us so we can help you out. That will be. So now I think everyone is clear with this, and anyone can change their MAC address, right? Okay, okay. So let me show another command. Like if you want to reset to your MAC address back to its original, then we have a command -p command. Like everything is same on name of -a. We just need to put p, like max changer -p etho. After putting this command, we will be back to our previous state. Like now we are back to our previous state, like whatever the command we are previously having, whatever MAC address previously we are having, we are back to this. So this command help us to back to our previous MAC address, and this command help us to -a command help us to change our MAC address randomly. Like we are not defining any specific version to that or any specific company for that. Now is it clear to everyone? Okay, okay. So now if you want to fully randomize your MAC address, like even if you want to change the first three digits of also, first three digit of MAC address also, including changing the manufacturer name. Like right now, your first manufacturer name of a MAC address is not going to change. But if you want to change everything and randomly, then you can use -r command for this. Like when you put Macchanger -r hyphen R, it's going to change everything for you. Like right now, in when I have switched back to my previous MAC address, that was this, and when I put this command like Mac changer hyphen R and etho, it has changed my complete MAC address randomly. Like first three digit is just our manufacturer. Okay, okay, so first three digit, where I went. Okay, okay, I was here. So first three digit is our manufacturer. So that is also being changed by putting this command. Okay. So is it putting by putting R command, we have changed everything. Is it clear to everyone? So would we share today? Yes, yes. Today videos, today's class lecture will be shared in a group. Right now I'm recording this. Today lecture will be shared. Don't worry. Okay, so any other questions from anyone's side, or should we proceed with another commands? Any other question? Yes, yes, Mac. Why, yes, yes. So what is your problem? Yes, yes. No, no. This is just virtually changing your MAC address, right? Not a real MAC address, but yeah, you are right now you are 100% anonymized if you are done with changing your MAC address by doing this. Yes, yes. Yes, 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 yes. To achieve 100% anonymity, this is the first step. Like if you are done with changing your MAC address, at some extent you are done with the anonymity, and then you will be looking for some more things to get anonymized. So, any other questions regarding MAC addresses and changing? Yes, yes, sure. Ask. Hmm. Previous IP store, nowhere it is store. IP just all they are dynamic. Whenever you are connecting to the internet, your internet service provider is providing another IP by DSCP protocol. So you don't your IP is not being stored until you have bought some IP addresses for your laptop or a PC. Till that you are not having any proper IP addresses. So whenever you are joining the internet, whenever you are connecting to the internet, your IP provider is providing you the new IP addresses. So there is no any impact of a changing MAC address on an IP address. They both are a different thing. Like IP address is your identity on the internet, and MAC address is your device identity. Like whenever you are receiving or sending any packets, your MAC address will be the end user to receive that package, because this works on a layer 2 physical layer. It works, and MAC addresses work on a layer 1 or layer 2 device disease, and that's how MAC addresses work. So is it clear to you? Like this is the main difference. Like IP is completely different to MAC address. MAC address is just a device address. Okay. Anyone having any other questions? Okay, so there is another command. Like if you want to, okay, okay, let me share my screen again. I'm not sharing my screen right now. Okay. Oh, one second. Okay, so if you want to check the list of all the MAC address service provider, like which are the companies who are providing the MAC address, you can simply put a -l command to get this. Like put a -l command, and you will be these are the manufacturers. Like these are very well known manufacturers, and this is the list of all of their MAC addresses. Like these three belong to the manufacturer, and this is 18,164 company, which is net NVTSO Corporation. This is also a company which is providing MAC addresses. There are a hell lot of companies who are providing us MAC addresses. So there must be not any shortage of MAC addresses to anyone, and all the devices which are connecting to internet somehow uses the MAC address for their identification. So that's all about MAC addresses. I don't think any more things to cover, and we all have only one more option, so that is R, which is by using that you can randomly you can also select your MAC addresses by putting this command. So this is just for very much advanced users. If you are putting any dedicated attack, then you have to define all the vendor to everything, and then you are using that command. But right now we don't need. This is out of our class scope, so we are just using the basic things like how to change the MAC address according to, and just randomly we will be generating any MAC addresses, and then we will be taking the advantage of this beautiful tool. So is this clear to everyone? Like what we need to do? How long would it be changed for? Until you shut down your computer, till that it will be changed because it's randomly generated. Can you repeat for hyphen R? Hyphen R for randomly generated. For that you have to define all each and everything, and then your Mac will be created. Okay, so any other questions on the MAC addresses? Anyone have any questions on MAC addresses? And or everyone is clear and can change the MAC address on their own? Okay, okay. Prashant, are you done with this? Because these are very basic things, and yes, Prashant. Okay, okay. When you put the hyphen s command, this will show you the current MAC address, and which is you are going to upgrade to another MAC address by using hyphen p command. So, for generating a random MAC address for your network interface card, you can run simply Macchanger hyphen s echo command. MAC addresses are, yes, MAC addresses are very much traceable because they belong to your laptop or a PC. That's why I'm discussing this at a very first time. Tomorrow we will be having a complete discussion on what are proxy chains, how to change our IP addresses, how to change our DNS, how to check for a DNS leak. So in tomorrow lecture we will be looking for these things, but today changing our MAC addresses and Linux basic commands are more than enough. So if you wish, I can ask some questions to everyone regarding the Linux basic commands because I don't know everyone knows this or not. I will be providing you the cheat sheet for our Linux basic commands also. Okay. So let's have a question. So Raghvendra, can you tell why we use sudo su command? Sudo su. What is the need of sudo su command? Raghvendra, this is question for you. Like why we need to use sudo su command? One second. मिला? अरे नहीं दे गया भाई चाबी वो नहीं दे गया सर पूछ लेना अरे भाई क्लास है मेरा मिला क्या हाँ ये रहा चल ठीक गेट बंद कर रहा ओके ओके सॉरी फॉर इंटरप्शन to change okay to change into a super user. Okay, this is the right answer. So can anyone tell me like what is super user and what are the things we can do as a super user on a Linux? Yes, tell me. Okay, okay. So, can anyone tell what is the command to create a new directory? Because this thing you will be doing, and the directory name. Like, if you need to create the new directory, you need to first clear the terminal. Again, I'm not sharing my screen. Okay, what? Yes, yes. Right now, I'm shared. This you just tell me. I used to forget this every single time, but within 1 or 2 days, because before this I was having a 100% complete booted Kali Linux machine. So this is the issue right now I'm facing because I used to miss this. For making a directory, first when you put clear command, everything you have done on a terminal will be erased out, and then you put make a dir and let's create RAS directory. Now, for checking that, put ls, the RAS directory is being created, right? So to create a directory, we just put this command mkdir and the directory name you wish to put. Like you can simply put and like Rama I need to put. So then we put ls about this file, like Rama directory is also being created. So if we want to remove this directory, like whatever directory you have created, if you want to remove this, simply put the command um, rm dir and I need to put this delete this directory, like remove this RAS directory, then RAS, and then when we put ls, the RAS directory is missing. Like here we have created the directory by here we have created the directory, but when we put this command remove directory, our directory is being removed. And now again we want to remove our another directory, which is Rama directory. To put this, and then we put ls, our that directory is also being deleted. So this is the uh, basic command to delete and create the directory. And so we have another command, which is touch command, to create a file. So for creating a file, just simply touch and file name you want to do. So let's, so my file name is Rupankar. The file is created. We can see this by ls command. This is a file. In a file, we can read and write a lot of things we can do. In upcoming session, we will be discussing like how to read a file, how to give permissions to the file. But right now, to create a file, to make a file, we use touch command. Like this command we use, and then the file name, whatever file you want to make. So this is the very basic thing. Even you can use rm and file to delete the file, or delete file commands to delete the file. So these are the basic things we will be doing. So everything clear? Yes, I am sharing my screen. Does my screen was visible to everyone? Okay, okay. So can you? Yes, yes. Hmm. डेस्कटॉप में जाना, लाइक? हाँ हाँ. तो CD desktop, CD desktop simply, like if like you need, if you want to go to desktop, then just simply cd and then uh, desktop, then put your also need keyboard cd desktop. When you put cd desktop, you will be moved to desktop. Then when you ls, then you will be listing all the command. But right now I don't have any file on my desktop. So when you put cd and dot dot, then you will be moved back to your original directory. And if you want to exit from your root user to your normal user, then simply put exit command. Then you will be getting out of your everything. And then put a clear command to get clear your screen, and then move back to your windows. So can you repeat the touch command? The touch command is being used to create new file. Whenever you wish to create a new file, you just simply put a touch command and the file name. Like 1 second, I need to give permission to someone. Okay. Okay, so let me explain. Let me show the touch command again. So when you want to create any file, simply put touch command is basically used for creating a file, touch command, and test. Then we put ls to check the file, and when you remove, that file will be removed also, right? Like if you want to remove the file, simply put rm to remove, and the file name is test. So remove test, and the file, when you put ls, your file, your test file is not available on the Linux system. So that's how you remove the file and you create the file. So is it clear to everyone? Okay, so should I stop sharing my screen right now? Any other questions from someone inside, or should be in this session right now? Any questions, Ajay? No, no. That is just a file. Bro, I'm not that much comfortable with Hindi. So first, if you are using a touch file to create any file, then all these things will be done. Like if you are putting doc things, doc file, doc content there, that will be automatically changed to the doc file. That's the beauty of a Linux. You don't need to create everything separately. That will be done. Like when you put .txt, that will be your txt file by giving an extension. Like whenever you are generating any report, just give touch and the file name and .txt to get into a doc file. So that's how we will do. So you can simply give the extension together with your command. Yes, yes. So whenever you are putting your command together with your command, put the extension, your that extension file will be created. Any other questions? Okay. Any questions on Macchanger, or everyone can do this as very much smoothly? Okay. Okay, so hope everyone can do this clearly. Just after this session, you will be getting the recording of this session in the group. So practice some more basic commands of a Linux, and practice with your Mac sensor. Tomorrow we will be discussing changing the IP addresses, setting up our proxies to doing our great attack, and then we will be start scanning the entire network. Then we will be scanning some more website from which we are familiar with, and get the result, and then we will be proceeding with the vulnerability analysis. So this is the tomorrow and day after tomorrow agenda. And today just practice all the command. Just after the class, you will be getting all the command list in your group, and also you will be getting a cheat sheet for a Linux, so you can practice all of your basic commands there. Okay. Anyone have any doubts? No. Okay. So that's all for today. Bye bye. Good night. भाई खाना आ गया तुम लोग का? I also need to eat right now. क्या अंकल क्या? क्या है? हेलो सर. हेलो.